I don't really know how to make an intro video, but let's try, right? So this is me doing a liner replacement with Bruce today, and we're doing a Mickey bomb, and we did a liner replacement, and we do a little drone footage too. So enjoy the video. Perfect. Perfect. Welcome in. It's everybody's favorite time. The Mickey bomb. Mickey bomb. Maybe we'll go with a 2-bag Mickey bomb here, buddy. A 2-bagger. Shoot, maybe even a 3-bagger. Who knows? Or either way, we're gonna drop the bomb. Honestly, dude, I'm gonna drop 3, man. Maybe 2. Let's try 2. Oh, I can't find anybody to work with me tomorrow. Push it around with a broom. Yeah, I think 2 is gonna do it. I asked the customer this morning if she wanted to spend the money to do a skim coat. I told her it's usually pretty expensive. I said, or I can make it look the best I can with a Mickey bomb. So that's what we're doing. Making it look the best we can with a Mickey bomb. Well, I hope my wife says she can work with me tomorrow. All right. Mickey bomb spread around. We'll just spread it around with the trowel. We want to start by showing off. Oh, do the double. Oh, yeah. Mickey bomb. Make mine a Merlin. Looking nice. And then once I'm done, I'll mist it with water. This will all set up. Enough to rake and walk on it. I should point out that I'm always like pushing away. So that way, like, you know, if I'm peeling up any rocks or anything like that, or hard chunks of this old floor, at least it goes down. It does such a good job. Ooh, I gotta come up. All right, now we gotta mist it. So we're gonna mist it. There we go. Little mister. So I told the lady, I was like, I can make it look good, I swear. You know, in about an hour, dude, believe it or not, man, that'll set up real nice. I gotta make sure I'm on camera. Yeah, that's how you Mickey bomb. That's a Mickey bomb. Vermiculite Mickey bomb. We're gonna drop this liner. Chances are I'm gonna have to take my shirt off to lift this liner too. We're walking down into my Mickey bomb. Welcome along, Steve got a pool. I don't know if you can see me. I don't know if you can hear me. All right, I think I'm gonna have to remove my shirt, Bruce. So I'm gonna take the mic and put the mic down. Cue the Chippendales music. Does Jeff do the same thing? Or you guys do?
Nah, he has like a bad like freaking knee and shoulder on it, so we like tag teamed like one of them.
So it seems to me that the winds are picking up. Oh, we're gonna find out that the microphone is working, or we're gonna find out that it's not. But I'm gonna. Didn't you and I measure this one? Yeah, I thought so. Brilliant Bahama, buddy. Brilliant Bahama. Man, the sun's coming out at the perfect time too, dude. Of course, I took my sunglasses off and left them in the truck. What'd you end up doing for lunch, Bruce?
I just went home and made a sandwich.
Made a sandwich?
Yep. I only live right down the road, so.
What kind of sandwich?
Just peanut butter. Something quick.
A peanut butter sandwich?
Yep.
Wow, buddy. I made a peanut butter and jelly last night.
Something that was I could just go in the door, make quick, and
Yeah. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you.
made a ham and cheese with mustard and all that, but now we're just cooking on.
Boy, what would you do without arrows?
Any water back? 1, 2.
I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know. I mean, I don't know, dude. I mean, we can hold off on them and see if I can get it done without them.
I'll just grab them in case.
Yeah, I mean, it's so nice out. We might not even need them. Come, Mr. Jolly. So I guess I'm gonna sing. Come, Mr. Jolly Man, Jolly Me Banana. Daylight come. Daylight come and me want to go home. I like my stairboard, Bruce. Have I ever told you that? The guy that built this pool, Dale's Pools, he's the one that got me into using the stairboard. Remember all the domes we did this winter?
I didn't want to talk.
Yeah, you're over domes. All right, man, I'm ready to pull this thing across. Go kind of quick. Yeah, that was nice. See, a lot of times when you look at the liner, from the way the camera's looking at it, you can tell if it's got to go left or right. But these arrows are spot on, buddy. Spot on. Good job. Nice clean track. Yeah, I think we're gonna be able to get it without water bags, dude. It's so hot right now. Nobody would volunteer to work with me tomorrow, though, Bruce.
It's so early in the day.
But like nobody in the company said that they would come in on a Saturday and help me with a liner in New Hampshire. Is it it's either me or it's working on a Saturday.
Working on a Saturday, everyone works freaking 12 14-hour days.
Yeah. Thanks, Bruce.
A lot of them are young too, to have kids.
Thanks for that, buddy. Yeah, we're cruising right along though. I mean, we're not doing no 1 o'clock now, but like you said, if we didn't have all that bottom work, we would have, right?
Oh yeah, if it wasn't for that bottom, like there was no rust, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Okay. That being said, aside from the bottom work, we're pretty much doing it the same pace as what you and Jeff are doing. Okay. But you did say that I can Mickey bomb faster than him, right?
basically having to freaking do all the walls.
Right. But you said I'd do Mickey bomb faster, right? So that's huge. You always want to be better at somebody else, you know what I mean? You want to be the best. And then when somebody starts encroaching on your territory, you get a little nervous, man. You know? I think I even sent my boss a message one time. And I was like, hey, am I still number 1 around here? True story, Bruce. But I definitely like these green vacs more than any other vac. I don't know who makes these green ones. I don't know if it's a GLI one. The blue ones are GLI. The red ones, somebody will tell me. The only thing is, Bruce, on these hot days, don't go too heavy with the tape on the liner. Yeah. Because then you're going to be using Goo Gone, not Goof Off, to take the tape residue off. Bruce, you see how the liner right here is doing like a 45-degree angle? That tells you that the bottom of the liner needs to come back. So watch when I come here, and I'll take my sandals off real quick, and I lift up the liner right here to get a little distance between me and the bottom of the wall, and then watch when I kick that back. See how it comes out? So I'll stand here like this, and then I'll say, go ahead, start it back. So now that it's sucking, I'll just kind of move around, kicking everything the best we can. Pretty good on this side. Going nice. No water bags needed, Bruce. All right, buddy, go ahead, hit it. Those things suck hard. Oh, buddy, it's like 4 feet of liner out right there. Here, let me get it. I'm sure you'd get it eventually. Don't get me wrong, buddy. All right. See any other big areas coming out?
No.
Me neither. All right, so let's turn this back on. Oh, what was that? Big gust of wind.
Oh, the box is.
What was it?
Box.
Oh.
The box is blue.
All right, we're gonna keep it short. Looks good, right, Bruce? All right, we're gonna keep it short. Sweet. Steve got a pool. Thanks for watching this portion of my videos. I'm gonna do the cut in on the main drain, the cut in on the stairs, cut in the light. We're gonna leave a tape mark to fill to. Buddy, you wanna knock on the door and ask the homeowner how she's filling? Was she planning on filling with a hose or a water truck? 4 to 6 inches of water in the shallow end. The vacuums stay running at all times. We're still gonna go around with our big red, make sure everything's good. Obviously, you know, the Mickey Bomb might show little things with the sun when the sun hits it a certain way, but once this thing's full of water, it's gonna look fantastic. Don't forget, everybody, like and subscribe. Appreciate everybody. And we'll talk to you all soon. We just gotta button this puppy up.